bad nothing's working on him.
Hey, kids!
Mila? Jordie? What's going on?
We were just playing, Dad, but then the Gobble Frog got scared. And Gollum missed a mayor's statue, and Officer Freeze's helicopter, and Aunt Augustine's stuff, and Mom's new car, and possibly Maria Monet. I'm sorry, Dad. We tried calming him down, but we couldn't do it.
Well, that's because you're not his magic match. But Carlos is. Carlos, this is Mila. She needs help with your magic match.
Hi, Carlos. We accidentally scared your Gobble Frog, and now we have to make him feel okay again. Can you help me do that? Gobble Frog, this is Carlos. Carlos is your magic match. Do you know what that means? It means you two will be very best friends forever and ever.